Hey, what are you doing? Huh?
Clean it up from that bad storm.
Wait, we're on a bike ride and we're cleaning up trees now? I don't have my chainsaw on my bike. So you liked my e-bike so much, you just had to get one for yourself, huh?
That's right.
So this one is a different style. It's called the Prado Commuter e-bike, and it's got the dip down here, which is a little easier to get through. There's a bunch of accessories too. You want to get a basket and other stuff you can get for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want a front basket, a back basket. It has a headlight, but I want rear view mirrors. I think that would come in really handy. Yeah, I love this bike though. Honestly, there are so many features about it that I wasn't sure about because they were different than your bike, and it is just an amazing bike. I love it.
So this one's a 750 watt, and the range on it is just about the same as mine. So
Yeah.
it actually it'll go 25 to 40 miles, it says.
The
Speed's the same, 28 miles an
display
hour.
is a little different too, but I'm really happy with it.
How fast have you gone?
Well, I may have gotten up to 10 miles per hour. So.
Well, we're gonna work on your speed. We'll get up to 28.
Yeah.
We just gonna go cruising together. It's a nice, quiet ride. The bikes are quiet, and we can kind of enjoy the outdoors and go down the back roads. Yeah, they are. Look, there's triplets. She's got 3.
Oh my gosh, but they're not as little as I thought.
You can't run up there either.
Yeah, they're all speckled.
Look at the size of that oak tree right there. Having fun?
We're gonna get killed. Yeah, I'm having fun.
Hey, firewood for sale. Hey, looks like they went out of business. All right, this tree, I think, takes the cake. All right, pull your bike up in front of it right here so you can see how big it is.
Look how giant this tree is.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my word. Is it an oak? This
Make-
bike is a champ. I just want to rocks and bricks.
Bricks. Oh, this is nice lake down there. Hey, wait for me. You're looking for a treasure map?
Yeah, there's a piece of paper.
It's probably garbage from a gas station. What is she doing? What'd you find?
I'm not telling you what it says.
It's not a treasure map?
It is. It's a hidden treasure map.
It's trash.
Can you do this on your bike?
No.
I love it. I love this bike.
Looks like they're building a big house right there. Another house going up. It's nice though. These houses are all secluded and tucked in. And hey, get back here. This is your snapping turtle pond, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't really like the snapping turtle. He's huge.
We've gone on a few rides now. What do you think?
I love it.
So it's the same kind of operation as the other bike. It's got a 7-speed pedal assist that you can use. You can pedal it if you want to. Do you like to pedal it?
Okay, so I thought I wanted to try, and no, I do not like to pedal it. We have too many hills out here in the woods, but
How did it do on the hills?
oh, it does great. I don't even have to pedal when we're heading up our driveway.
This has a removable battery as well, so you can actually take the battery off and charge it inside and then bring it back out. So if you work in an office or something like that, you drive to work, you can actually remove the battery, take it in and charge it. So this one actually has a really nice LED light on it. And we went out kind of in the dark the other day almost, and it lit up the road pretty good. I wouldn't be afraid to drive it in the dark completely.
Not at all.
So this one has a different throttle than the other bike we have. This is a thumb throttle, and it has pedal assist, so you can use the thumb throttle or you can just start pedaling. This one has a really nice little display on it. It gives you your speed, battery percentage, your total odometer, your trip, how far you've gone, and then that number 1 is the assist level. You can set that higher or lower depending on how much you want the electric motor to kick in and help you pedal. And I will say, it's a pretty nice seat. So you just had to have one of these bikes. You know, you saw me ride mine, and you just had to have one.
Mm-hmm.
And now,
I did. I am sold on electric bikes. Like, I love riding electric bikes.
We got stopped a lot on the road, and people ask us.
People always notice that we're not pedaling,
hey, what are you guys
and
doing?
I think they're jealous that we're not pedaling. No, but it's amazing, and they're really getting traction, especially out here in the country, which I was kind of surprised about. Even on loose gravel, this does extremely well.
Yeah, now we can go cruising together. So we just need to find a couple for the kids, and we can all go out electric or e-bike riding around the country. There's lots of back roads out here. These things handle the hills well with the fat tires. The roads aren't an issue. So if you're interested in checking out this bike, this is a Velowave. We'll put a link in the description over to this one. They've got a bunch of different options and models that you can get, bigger, smaller. You can get the pass-through like this one. This one definitely is a good one we can say firsthand. Don't forget to hit thumbs up on today's video. Of course, if this is your first time here, subscribe, tag along. Love to have you tag along for all the fun that we have here on the SSL Family Dad channel. And lots of awesome videos upcoming on wood burning and other things. So love to have you for that. As always, guys, thanks for watching.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.